So welcome.
Wow.
That screech is very telling, isn't it?
We'll fix it in post. Welcome back to the untitled Jake Arnold Home Renovation Show. I'm Sarah.
I'm Jake.
On the last episode, we left you with a little bit of a cliffhanger, which is when will Jake move it to his house? Jake said,
March 15th.
3 months. Should we tell them that it's been 1 year later?
No, don't. Since you've last been here in no particular order, a lot has happened. Consoles have been out. Black mold has been kind of basically healed. Still unresolved things that we're working through. Fired the contractor, but I've also had some features in AD. I've done a collaboration, I've redone my office, and honestly, I'm doing the best I can.
And I've grown out my bangs.
They look great, the lack of them.
Thank you.
As you can see, we have walls.
Some stuff has happened.
So I just want to point something out. Last time I did say, it's all good, I'm just drawing some plans on the wall, but we do have a set of plans with a rendering, with design intent, with somewhat of dimension. So there is actually a plan.
And for the homeowners out there who are not design professionals, hire someone. Even designers make mistakes.
Yeah.
Just do it the right way once. Don't do it the wrong way
Seriously.
twice.
So last time we were here, this was like a wall with a window with different windows and doors.
Yes, this looks
Doors in.
expensive. Did we custom do this?
Yes, we did custom do it. I did go on a deep dive and find someone who was less expensive, so I don't want you to film too closely because there are certain things that aren't great, but we take a step back, we look up and we say, looks great. As long as it's waterproof, I don't give a shit. So I'll let you know when it rains.
Why is there finished electrical?
Okay, I'm gonna need you to take a pause. So I lived here for 2 months between having my tonsils out and firing a contractor. Yes, there are sconces on here. And they may come down when the house is done at this point, so I'm not that delicate with them.
So they're for sale, actually.
Yeah, they're actually for sale.
Leave us a DM.
Yeah. One tip that I really want to blow your mind with is changing a window to a door. So when one window closes, a door opens. This used to be a window to here to here. This is now from a galley kitchen to an experience outside. There's going to be a water feature outside. You're going to see hedges, light at night, and all of a sudden you've expanded a very nothing space into something that's more like indoor-outdoor. Do you remember the Mariah Carey cribs? She has a sofa in the kitchen with pictures of her friends and family, and it's like a cottage in New York. And there's just something I love about sitting on a cozy sofa in a kitchen, like here.
Yeah.
This is new.
Oh, it's so good.
There's gonna be a tub, and I'm actually doing this door cut into skinny doors.
So pretty.
Sitting here, and you can sit in the tub, because I'm a huge single door cut into 2 doors person.
Great tip. I know that you're still paying 2 mortgages. So who is going to finish?
Okay, well, you haven't met the most amazing human being, Orie. Have I not told you about Orie?
No.
Wait, he's here. Did you plan this?
That was so good, Orie.
I've been doing this for 10 years now. So I started doing spec homes and development projects, and then unfortunately more and more friends were getting over by their contractors. So insert me.
We've literally replumbed the house.
I had to deconstruct to reconstruct. There was a ton of structural elements that lacked super strong integrity. The plumbing was off, the electrical was off. We had to do new water supply lines. We had to do underground waste lines, reinforce a lot of structural elements to make sure that nothing was gonna cave in during an earthquake, and also cracks throughout the house.
Money, 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 money. We're about to be done. When?
April 20th to 30th?
Which one?
Okay, we'll do April 20th.
Okay, great. Now that we have a schedule, it's stick to it. I also have security cameras, so I get to watch that every day, which is really fun. And it does have a microphone on it,
Correct.
and I can scream. I haven't done that.